Welcome to Cat TV Honors. In the month of November, we are paying tribute to our local veterans. Tonight, we honor
Clenn A. Frost. Clenn was in the Army from 1968 to 1973. He was at the Naval School of Music and stationed at the 3rd Army Headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. He was deployed to Vietnam in 1968 and was in country for 430 days. He played the trumpet in the Army Band and played with many well-known stars such as Bob Hope. He made his home in Shasberry and worked for many years at CVPS. Clenn passed on 4/17/09, leaving his loving family and many friends.
Thank you for watching Cat TV Honors, and thank you to all the veterans for their dedicated service.